You can just give it the sign. LED will turn to green and now it will track you. Give it the OK sign. This one, this one.
Oh, okay. Oh! Wow.
Her first AI camera.
It's so amazing! Now I can dance in my stream. It's like a puppy.
Got a new drip from AICOCO, their first generation webcam. So proud. This is the Smart Live Streamcam 2K. Let's check it out. By the way, I will list and link the best deals for you in the description, so check it out if you're interested. So that's the box right here, a tiny cute box. That's the, actually let me remove the wrap. That's the box, glare free. That's the front. Smart Live Streamcam. This is the 2K version with all sorts of smart features and it is looking dope. That's one side, that's the other side, top I guess, and the other side. Okay, and the back side right here with the specific model name, the manufacturer and a few pictures. Alright, let's open it up. It will just slide out slowly but surely. There we go. So check this out. Everyone can dream and create with this camera, of course. So we get this nice looking envelope. Backside is blank. And let's take it out. Okay, and in here we have some sort of a quick start guide. And then right here, well actually up here, boom, boom. We have the accessories and right here we have the camera itself. And that's it. Oh wow, this is a metal body. Lovely. Let me start with the accessories and the manual. Okay, inside this box we have the cable. This is USB-A to USB-C. Nice looking cable right here. And now let's check out this quick start guide. So one side is Chinese and the other one is English. So first page is the branding. Then we have the product introduction, how the internals work and the types of motors and all of that good stuff. Then we have a setup guide. We also have a use guide for the AI commands or for the smart gestures. And right here we have the product parameters right there. And here we have the camera itself. So from the top, from the front, this side, the other side and the back. Down here we have the thread for mounting it and this is a rubber pad and it can basically unfold all the way. And in here we have more information and it can also move slightly up and down. And in here we also have padding everywhere. And this is the movement of the camera. So to recap, you will get the quick start guide, the cable and of course the camera. Let's go. As I already said, this is a metal body. Check it out. It's a brushed aluminum body, I think. So I'm surprised with that. That's a metal housing. That's awesome. Oh my goodness. I completely missed that. Okay, so the second axis of rotation is right here. And it is super smooth. So these two little black dots, the upper one is a notification light, well an indicator light, and the lower one is a microphone. On the right side we obviously have the camera. Both of these motors are brushless motors. This can move 21 degrees, as you can see right here, lower end stop and upper end stop. Okay, now I get it. First of all you need to unclip it, loosen it up, and this is actually the position. And now this lower one can move 180 degrees in both directions, just like that. Makes sense. Alright, I get it. Everything makes so much more sense now. We have the logo in the front and this clamping mechanism now makes just way more sense. Okay, alrighty. And right here we also have the USB-C and this is basically how to mount it on any screen or laptop and what have you. Good stuff. Now let me tell you all about the specs and the features. So, specs and features. So we have Ultra HD 2K picture output. That means 1440 at 30 FPS HD video. We have the AI gestures. We also have human face recognition tracking. We have precision tracking with the double brushless motors, 2-axis drive of course. We have a 6-axis gyroscope shake control, and the maximum control speed is 120 degrees per second. Through the gestures you can activate the smart zoom. Also there is noise reduction, and it's basically plug and play for every operating system. Let's go. The USB cable is 1.5 meters long. As I said, 6-axis gyroscope. Oh, by the way, 21 degrees upwards and 21 degrees downwards, so 42 degrees in total. The LED status indicator will show you red for standby and no follow mode, and green for the follow mode. Brightness is 10 lux. The thread on the bottom is a 1/4 inch thread, of course, the general standard for all the tripods. We have tons of supported video formats and resolutions, many different frame rates, and so many supported operating systems. Not bad, right? Next up is performance, usability, and of course a good old demo, and then another demo. Back to back, let's go. This setup is obviously not what I would show in a typical video, so let's go through my setup together. So the camera is now inactive. I already removed the watermark. You just need to hold up your hand for 5 seconds, then it will disappear. The camera, well, the gestures, they are very fast, so check it out. Well, that was the wrong one, and now it's tracking me. So this sign will activate the tracking, and it's super fast, and this will deactivate the tracking, and yeah, now it's not following me. Let's activate it again, and this is the zoom feature. Zoom 1, zoom 2, zoom out again. All camera settings are default, by the way. Everything is automatic. So my usual setup also includes this backlight, a giant ring light. And while we're at it, sound check. This is the microphone of the camera. And now let's scale up the picture all the way. 2K upscaled to 4K. Okay, we're back to my usual setup, to my main mic. So I really like the picture quality so far. It's so fast. Okay, zoom out again. Perfect. And my usual setup would be something like this. Just crop away all of that nonsensical background, and this would be my style of recording a video with the white background, my backlight, and my softbox up here. And all in all, it's not looking too bad. It will also follow me. But obviously for my scene this is not really needed. So right there, and now stop. And you can also move the camera with your arms and it will stay in this position. Okay, just save. So you can use this feature to reposition the camera without actually touching it, and when you're happy, lock it in place. And lastly, let's configure the video. So we have brightness, we have contrast, we have hue, saturation, we have sharpness, we have white balance, that's an auto, and we have backlight compensation. And here we have the exposure level. This is actually the most important aspect right here. Exposure on auto actually works pretty well. Alrighty, so the zoom feature will work best when the tracking is actually on. It's now off. So let's try that again. So yeah, it's way better obviously. So yeah, not too bad. For this price, the quality is definitely a-okay. Now this tracking feature will make way more sense in just a few seconds when we implement this camera in the streaming setup of my sister. So let's go.
Hey!
That's my sister, that's her setup.
And it's going to be different. Very different.
Move! With the old speakers, just one little camera and no nano leaves. Let's make it better. Let's go. This is going to be way better. So check it out. Slowly but steady it's getting really epic. And now the only thing that's missing is a good camera. That's a current one. What even is that? Okay, so here we go.
Thank you. Smart live stream cam. Okay.
It's made just for that. Just for you, just for streaming.
Damn, looking good. Okay.
Okay, we'll mount it and then we'll test it. Let's go. So back here she has this magic arm and we will use the thread on the bottom, right? This one.
The magic arm isn't that magic. That's why I'm using my broken tripod leg to fix it. But it's working.
Perfect. Cable. So it's powered up. Red LED is lighting up and now... Oh my god, it worked. Ah, it's so crazy. This thing, well, first of all, it has no software and it also needs no software. So when it's powered on, you can just give it a sign. LED will turn to green and now it will track you. This is so funny. Oh my goodness. Okay, if you want it to stop, boom. Now it's red. And there we go. So we are recording. We are now obviously 2 people. So it's tracking me. By the way, if there is a water sign, maybe up here or somewhere, I don't know, you need to hold up your hand for 5 seconds.
Okay.
And then it will disappear. We need better... Oh yeah, that's better. Better lighting. Alright.
Okay, it's too high.
Give it the okay sign.
The hand?
Nee, okay sign. This one, this one.
Oh, okay. Oh! Okay. Damn!
It has way more resolution than your old cam, so you can crop in. And also, try the L, try the L. Give it an L. Yes?
Oh! And how do I zoom out again?
You have 2 zoom in, and then 2 zoom out.
Ah, it's automatically zooming out when I make the same symbol again?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Damn. Okay, that's a perfect zoom position.
Oh, you actually, I was like, you can crop in with the OBS program, but you can actually just digitally zoom in. That's also, yeah, that's true, that's true. It has enough resolution to do that.
Move, bitch. Oh, wait. It's working now.
And now stop it with the stop sign.
This?
Yeah, perfect. And now start it again. Oh, well, no, stop, stop, stop. Move around, move around. So it's now, well, the tracking has stopped. And now give it the OK sign. And now it's tracking you.
Hi.
Her first AI camera.
It's so amazing! Or I can hold it right. Okay. I think I will adjust it a little bit. Kind of perfect.
Edge of the screen, or what's the problem?
Yeah, I don't want to have the table and
You can crop in the program. Can you walk around in the room?
Mm-hmm. Now I can dance in my stream without worrying that my followers and viewers can't see me. Amazing.
Try the signs like this.
It's still following me. It's like a pumpkin. Okay, that's cool. Amazing. I'm totally amazed. It's kind of creepy though. to be honest.
Because it's working so good, or
Yeah,
why?
because it's working so good. It's like, it recognizes my face, I guess. So the AI is pretty good. And if you want to see this camera in action, then you can follow me on Twitch and watch my streams, guys. Thank you!
As I said, this is their first generation webcam, and for their first try, this is actually very good. Definitely worth supporting. Great build quality, refined look. And again, if you want to see this camera in action, you can find my sister's Twitch link in the description. She was super happy with her present. This is literally what this thing is made for. And I'm sure the camera will be happy too about seeing her beautiful face pretty much every day. Definitely a great upgrade for her setup, and definitely drippy. Check out the product links in the description if you're interested. I will make sure to link the best deals for you. And before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell, and click all to never miss amazing tech magnet videos. That's it for this one. Enjoy your day, and I will see you soon.